Want to meet new peoples? Learn how to add friends on Discord in minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add friends on Discord mobile app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. After you logged in, you will be directed to your home screen of the Discord, where you can see your servers and friend. Tap the Add Friend option at the top of your screen. This will bring you to the Friends screen, where you can manage your current friends, friend requests, and add new ones. On the Friends screen, you can either add your friends by sending invite link through email, messenger, or look for the Add by Username button. Tap it to proceed with the adding someone new. In the search bar, you will need to enter your friend's Discord tag or username and tap the Send Friend Request button. If your friend accepts the request, they will be added to your friend list. Once you send the friend request, your friend will get a notification. So this is how to add friends on Discord mobile app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.